Action!
Dizzy yourself, Satan! Why are you being difficult? And we are back, and we got the last ball of marbled clay, and we are gonna see what I can make here today. I have been making a lot of mugs lately, and this is a big ball of clay, and I would like to have like a ramen noodle bowl that looks pretty awesome. So depending on how well this thing centers, it might end up becoming a bowl today. So stick around, check it out, and we will fire this baby up. Thing's got no marbling left at all. Shit. Slow your roll here, people. I think my centering took too much effort, and she got a little bit too abused. So what we have here is a very nice little candy dish, right? Poor little mug. Poor little Mugsy. That is what we will end up with. A nice little teeny tiny candy dish. But that's alright, right? Still not bad. And it's something different than a coffee mug, so rack that up as something new for the Crazzy Snappers YouTube channel. Well guys, it ended up becoming a bowl, not a mug. The spiraling got all jacked up due to the excessive compression and centering. So you got to be careful when you're centering marbled clay to not overwork it. Apparently it does not like to be overworked. It just ends up blending all the clay together. But that's alright. That's alright. I could use a bowl in the house, right? Rather than 1,000 mugs. Cut this baby down. And that shall wrap this up today. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Crazzy Snapper making some bowls today.